G'day folks, just a quick little video for you today. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the new limited edition Dusk White Hero 7 Black. Now this is not to be confused with GoPro's budget camera, the Hero 7 White. This is a full-fledged Hero 7 Black, just in a new limited edition color. So let's open it up and we'll take a closer look. So this was officially released by GoPro on Sunday, March 3rd, and basically it is a full Hero 7 Black, just in a new limited edition color. And as far as I know, this is the first time they've released their flagship camera in a limited edition color. So that's actually kind of interesting. For the most part, if you already own a Hero 7 Black, this is not something you're really going to want to go out and buy, just for the fact that there's no hardware improvements. It's identical to the Hero 7 Black that most of us already have, just in this new Dusk White color. They are for sale on the GoPro website and in some select stores. I ordered mine right from GoPro Direct because they weren't available on Amazon yet, and I don't know if they are going to be or not. The other thing they introduced is a white GoPro Shorty to match the new look, so we'll open that up as well. So let's just get right into it here. There it is there. So it does actually look really nice. I'm actually kind of impressed. Let's see what kind of accessories are inside. I'm assuming they'll be the same as always. And yeah, we have the charging cable, 2 buckle mounts, and the battery. So I'll go ahead and remove the camera. So here it is here. I'll let you get a good look at it. Even the buckle mount is the Dusk White as well. It's kind of like an off gray. Like in person, it kind of looks kind of like a really light shade of gray. The frame looks to be a little smidge darker than the GoPro. It actually looks really good. I'm not a big fan of white hardware, but actually surprisingly looks pretty sharp. Let's go ahead and we'll remove it from the buckle. So there's the buckle there. Same as always, just now in a new color. And let's take it out of the frame. And there we go, the new Dusk White Hero 7 Black. Yeah, it's actually a sharp looking camera. Now I'm not going to do any kind of review or anything on it just because it's identical to the Hero 7 Black, and I have made several videos on that already. So if you're new to GoPro and you're looking for more information on the Hero 7 Black, you can go back through my video history, and I have lots of different reviews and tutorials on the Hero 7 Black, including a comprehensive beginner's guide for those who are brand new. So let's go in and we'll take a closer look at the new Shorty, the new Dusk White edition of it. And there it is there. So just like the original, it's a mini tripod and a mini extension pole. So yeah, there we go, the GoPro Hero 7 Black Dusk White edition and the GoPro Shorty in the Dusk White. Like I said, this isn't probably something you want to run out and buy if you already own a Hero 7 Black. But if you don't own a GoPro and you're in the market for one, definitely one to consider. Maybe you want a secondary camera to capture some B-roll footage. Definitely might be a good time then to grab one. Well folks, that's basically it. Just a quick unboxing of the Hero 7 Black Dusk White edition. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.